Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Confirm the cylinder type and regulator match because wrong threads leak. Once confirmed, turn off every appliance valve and shut the main supply. This prevents pressure flow while you work. Make sure the area is ventilated for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Gas dissipates quickly when given airflow. Put on gloves and eye protection and move all flames and sparks 3 meters away. These steps reduce risk and set you up to safely remove the old connection. Once the system is depressurized, open the bleed screw or vent to confirm no residual pressure. Safety first. Use the correct wrench and turn the fitting counterclockwise. Do this gently to avoid stripping threads or twisting the regulator. Remove the old hose and immediately inspect washers, O-rings, and the regulator diaphragm for hardening or cracks because these small parts cause most leaks. If seals look compromised, replace them before proceeding, and make sure threads are clean so the new connection seats properly. You now install the new hose or regulator. Hand thread first so it seats, and then tighten to the manufacturer's torque. Too tight damages seals, too loose leaks. Once secured, open supply slowly and apply approved leak detection fluid or soapy water to every joint. Bubbles indicate a leak. Make sure to observe for at least 1 minute because small leaks take time to show. If you find persistent bubbling, shut the supply off immediately and replace the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.